Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy. Welcome to your English class with Miss Priyanka. Yesterday we had done new words of the poem After a Bath. Now today we are going to do word meaning of the poem After a Bath. Word meaning. What is word meaning? Let me tell you. I will show you a word, and then after showing the word, I will tell you what is the actual meaning of that word, like what the word actually means. So I request you all to be attentive and pay attention to whatever I tell you and show you. We will do the word meaning today in a new style, which you can say a fun drill. What is that? I will show you. After one word meaning, we will clap, then roll, then again clap. Okay, do it with me fast. Clap, roll, clap. Again, clap, roll, clap. I am sure you are going to like this activity. So, the first word is dry. D-R-Y, dry. D-R-A, dry. That means not wet. You can see this hanky. It is dry. It is not wet. Yes. So the meaning of the word dry is not wet. So you must be knowing, in the word dry there is no vowel. It is without a vowel. In the same way, I can tell you another word, my, M-Y, my. This word is also without a vowel. Then another word which I am going to tell you is without a vowel is Y, W-H-Y. It is also without a vowel. So dry is also without a vowel. So what you have to do? Yes, clap, roll, clap. Again, fast. Clap, roll, clap. Very good. Fast. Clap, roll, clap. Clap, roll, clap. Very good. So the next word is, yes, can you tell me? Think. Just opposite to dry. Think. Okay, I am going to tell you. The second word is wet. W-E-T, wet. W-E-T, wet. The meaning of wet is covered in a liquid, especially in water. Let me show you. I have shown you this dry hanky. This is dry. Now, you know the meaning of dry? I have told you what? The meaning of dry is not wet. So, now I am going to show you. This is a mug filled with water and And now this is a dry hanky, and dipped my hanky in water. Now it is what? The hanky is wet. Now you come to know what is dry and what is wet. Yes, wet vowel is there. Yes, can you find out? W-E-T. Where is vowel? Yes, in the middle. E. A. Okay. So, in the word wet, there is a vowel. Now, children, what we have to do? Yes. Clap, roll, clap. Hooray! Again, fast. Clap, roll, clap. Now, the third word is shiny. S-H-I-N-Y. Shiny. And the meaning of shiny is glittery, or you can say giving out light. Just see, this is a glitter paper sheet. How it is? It is so shiny now. Now tell me in the word shiny, S-H-I-N-Y, where is wall? Is the word with the wall or not? Yes, think. Yes, there is a wall. Where is it? I. Now you come to know what is shiny. So, what you have to do? Yes, clap, roll, clap. Again, fast. Clap, roll, clap. Very good. Now, the next word I am going to tell you is just opposite to shiny. So, think. What can it be? Yes, it is mat. M-A-T-T, mat. In the word mat, there is a wall. Yes, yes. A is a wall. So in the word mat, there is a wall. Now, what is the meaning of mat? Without any shine or dull. I can show you this. This was shiny. The sheet was shiny. Now, the back side of the sheet is not so shiny now. It is dull. Okay, now you have come to know what is shiny and what is matte. Matte means dull or without shine. Now what we are supposed to do? Yes. Good. Clap, roll, clap. Fast. Clap, roll, clap. Very good. Now the fifth word is less. Yes, children, the fifth word is less. L-E-S-S. Less. Less means a smaller amount. I can show you. It is a glass. It is not fully filled with water. The water is very less. You can see the water. Yes, the water is very less. So you have come to know the meaning of less. In the word less, there is a ball, children. Find out, think. Yes, there is a ball. Where is it? E. So what we have to do now? Clap, roll, clap. Fast. Clap, roll, clap. Now the sixth and the last word is the opposite of less. Think. Yes. You must be knowing. It is very easy. Okay. The next word is more. M-O-R-E, more. There are two vowels in the word more, O and E. The meaning of more is a larger amount. You can see the water. Water is more over here. This is less and this is more. You can see the quantity of the water. In this glass, the water is less, and in this glass, the water is more. Now you have come to know the meaning of less and more. So, what you have to do? Clap, roll, clap. Fast. Clap, roll, clap. Clap, roll, clap. Very good. Now we will do a quick recap of the word meaning again. The first word is dry, and the meaning of the word dry is not wet. And the second word is wet. The meaning of wet is covered in a liquid, especially in water. Number third word is shiny. Shiny means glittery or giving out light. Giving out light means a sun is so bright na, shiny. Yes, a diamond ring, shiny. Shiny means glittery or giving out light. You can say the sun gave us light, it is so bright, so shiny. Yes. The fourth word is matte. Matte means, the meaning of matte is dull or without shine. The fifth word is less. The meaning of less is a smaller amount. The sixth word is more. The meaning of more is a larger amount. So children, we have learned today word meanings of the poem After a Bath. Now children, you have to watch this video for your better understanding. So children, that's all for today's session. Till the next session, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.